In this video, I'll show you how to change site visibility settings in WooCommerce. As you can see on my test store, when I click on the shop page, I'll be presented with the following message: great things on horizon, something big is brewing. This message is displayed because the store is still in development and the shop page is currently hidden from the public. So let's go ahead and make it live. At first, let's log into WordPress admin account. Then left side of the screen, hover on WooCommerce, then select settings. On the settings page at the very top, click on the site visibility tab. Right here, as you can see, my site is hidden from the visitors. Let's change it to live, then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then open your website in a new browser. And as you can see, the shop page is now accessible to all the visitors. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.